We have a couple new lasers. We have the Deca Tetra, which is a CO2 laser, and it's one of the best ones I've seen in a long time. It's kind of it's made a big step forward. I mean, one of the problems with laser therapy is Fitzpatrick skin types. So when you have people that are almost albino, where they have no pigment at all, and then you have other people that have a ton of pigment, and the people that have a lot of pigment react differently to light therapy, to any kind of light therapy. And then there's a spectrum of people in between. And so the people at the far end of the spectrum, the people with more ethnic skin, have been kind of eliminated from a lot of laser therapies because of the way their skin reacts. Well, the Tetra is one of the first lasers that you can actually do fully ablative treatment on those people, which is kind of revolutionary. The other thing that it does is it allows you to put a certain amount of energy in a square, and there's a thing called thermal relaxation time. And like with anything else, if you stick something really hot on your hand and you take it off of there real quick, it doesn't hurt as bad and it doesn't burn as much. What this laser does is it puts that same amount of energy in that spot, but it does it in small doses. So it allows a thermal relaxation time in between. One of the knocks on CO2 lasers has been persistent redness and long recovery times. And that's all been associated with thermal injuries, with heat buildup, heat sinking in the skin. And this new Tetra, because of its ability to allow thermal relaxation time in between, even the most ablative therapies that we do now, your recovery time is 2 to 3 weeks at most. And with the Cool Peel, it's like 3 days. So you really, and with the old lasers, it was six months to a year in some cases. So it's a significant difference, in your recovery. The other laser that we have is an alexandrite laser for hair removal, which a lot of people have gone to they've gone to flash lamps and things like that, which actually we used to have, and it's fairly effective, but it hurts and it's not as effective. So the number of treatments that you had to have with a flash lamp was significant. With IPL was a lot more. With this alexandrite laser, you can get 90 to 95% hair reduction after 1 to 2 treatments. So it decreases the amount of time you have to spend here, and it's way more effective on more hair types.